everyone, it's Gina. Thank you for stopping by. To those of you who are new, who've never been here before, welcome to Season Beauty. We're glad you decided to come on by and see what we had going on. To those of you who have been here before, thank you for coming back. It's good to see you again. Well, first off, we just want to start off with, if you like what you see on this channel, by all means, hit that subscribe button below. That one, right there. Okay? And while you're there, you might as well hit the notifications button so you be sure to find out and be the first to know each and every time I upload a new video. Well, I'm coming to you today with a quick CurlBox video. I love this box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, this is a monthly subscription for hair care products like you would not believe. From this particular one is for those with natural hair. I am on a natural hair journey. Probably next month y'all will be seeing what this looks like underneath here, okay? I did the big chop about a year ago, and I've been growing my hair naturally. No more of the chemicals in there. I'm trying to keep the damage down to a minimum, okay? Very, very minimal. But nonetheless, this box is $25 per month. Now, wait till you see what's in the box. Now, under normal circumstances, I would tell you rush right out and become a part of the CurlBox family. However, this box is so good. There is always a wait list. However, they do open it up. Actually, I've seen it open probably 2 or 3 times already this year. Trust me, it's worth it to go ahead and be patient to get this particular box. So let's go ahead and jump right in and take a look at the June CurlBox, okay? And, okay, this month's products are the Maui products, okay? So let's go ahead and check out the description card, see what it says. Hey, curl friend. How about that? You see that? Hey, curl friend. Tell us what you think. Each month we pick, excuse me, a random winner of a secret prize if you tag us with your CurlBox shout out, okay? So, I was in Target the other day, as a matter of fact, and I was looking at these products. Now, in this box, they've given us the, let's go in order that we would use them, okay? Shampoo, full size. Conditioner, okay? And this one is the detangler. It says leave-in for dry, damaged hair. Then they also have hair mask, full size. Look at the size of that jar. And the little things in life, okay? This one right here is the oil, and they sealed it in a plastic bag. It does not damage any of our other products. We do not end up with half a bottle, and it's not leaking all over the place. So, in this box, we have 5 full-size products. Now, the product this month is the Moisture Strengthen and Anti-Breakage. Yes, this is to heal and hydrate. Made with 100% aloe juice. That's what it says right there on the side. See? Right here. Okay, and this is shea butter. It says soften, quench, and repair. Creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and pure macadamia oil, silicone free, okay? And this one is the agave raw oil. I'll take it out of the packet, or out of the plastic bag, so you can actually get a good look at the product itself. And this is not one of those cheap bags either. This is a nice name brand. How about that? Okay. And this one, see, right here. Okay, and this one says agave oil for chemically damaged hair, rich agave, velvety hibiscus oil, and fresh pineapple extract. Okay, I'm going to put that back in the bag. I don't want to forget to do that. Okay, and then the detangler leave-in, it says creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and macadamia oil. Okay, these are the silicone-free products. Heal, and hydrate. Okay, I need this. I need this bad. And it has a whole lot of none of those bad things included. Okay, none of them. Do you see this list? Now, can you imagine if these are items that are actually in the products that we are using on our hair? Okay, so, and it says none of that. None. Only fresh ingredients from nature's medicine chest. How about that? All natural, everything. Okay, so these products, as I was saying, when I was in Target, I saw them. Okay, this is a 13 fluid ounce jar, bottle, whichever one you prefer to call, as is the conditioner. These were $10 a piece, okay, in Target, and we have all 5 products. Okay, so right off the bat, we've already saved. The box is $25 a month. Okay, and we have products that run you a minimum of $10 a piece, depending on where you shop and if you're getting them on sale or not. Okay, and with that being said, this one right here, 12 ounce jar. This one is an 8 fluid ounce jar, and they're running for $10 a piece. As a matter of fact, I will go online and I will check, and I will put right below the actual manufacturer suggested retail price of these products. Okay, and then that way you'll be able to see exactly how much you would be saving as well. Okay, so I just wanted to share this with you. Okay, the boxes come around the middle to the end of the month, so you'll be seeing another one again real soon. So I will leave the information below so that you can, go ahead and try to participate in, this wonderful box every month. Okay, so just try, be patient, see if you can get on board. Now, I will tell you, they also will, if you want to sign up for it, you can get these services or these actual items through that service at a discounted price. It's not at this price, but you will get it at a discount price, not what you would pay if you go into a regular brick and mortar store. So thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Even if this is not your type of video, go ahead and subscribe anyway. I'm sure we'll put something out there that you will enjoy. And to ensure that we do, put a comment down below. Tell me what you like to see, and then that way we can work it out for you. Now, Seasoned Beauty was designed for women who are above the 40 the 40 plus. Okay, we'll just say it that way. Okay, because we have to do things a little different with our skin, and our hair, as opposed to those that are a little younger than we are. Okay, so we don't discriminate. Anybody that wants to stop by all means, please, but do. At some point in your life, you will become a seasoned beauty in the 40 plus range. However, you're already a seasoned beauty now, because regardless of the season that you're in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,